In front of me is OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS launcher on this device. Firstly, access Play Store, click on the search bar and type iOS launcher. Now you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Then choose Allow and tap Home button. Over here you need to close an app and click Home button again. Now select iOS launcher, choose Always, click Got it, and OK. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!